Socrates. Here, then, there are 4 equal spaces? Boy. Yes. Socrates. And how many times larger is this space than this other? Boy. 4 times. Socrates. But it ought to have been twice only, as you will remember. Boy. True. Socrates. And does not this line, reaching from corner to corner, bisect each of these spaces? Boy. Yes. Socrates. And are there not here 4 equal lines which contain this space? Boy. There are. Socrates. Look and see how much this space is. Boy. I do not understand. Socrates. Has not each interior line cut off half of the 4 spaces? Boy. Yes. Socrates. And how many spaces are there in this section? Boy. 4. Socrates. And how many in this? Boy. 2. Socrates. And 4 is how many times 2? Boy. Twice. Socrates. And this space is of how many feet? Boy. Of 8 feet. Socrates. And from what line do you get this figure? Boy. From this. Socrates. That is, from the line which extends from corner to corner of the figure of 4 feet? Boy. Yes. Socrates. And that is the line which the learned call the diagonal. And if this is the proper name, then you, Meno slave, are prepared to affirm that the double space is the square of the diagonal? Boy. Certainly, Socrates. Socrates. What do you say of him, Meno? Were not all these answers given out of his own head? Meno. Yes, they were all his own. Socrates. And yet, as we were just now saying, he did not know? Meno. True. Socrates. But still he had in him those notions of his, had he not? Meno. Yes. Socrates. Then he who does not know may still have true notions of that which he does not know. Meno. He has. Socrates. And at present these notions have just been stirred up in him, as in a dream, but if he were frequently asked the same questions, in different forms, he would know as well as anyone at last? Meno. I dare say. Socrates. Without anyone teaching him he will recover his knowledge for himself, if he is only asked questions? Meno. Yes. Socrates. And this spontaneous recovery of knowledge in him is recollection? Meno. True. Socrates. And this knowledge which he now has must he not either have acquired or always possessed? Meno. Yes. Socrates. But if he always possessed this knowledge he would always have known, or if he has acquired the knowledge he could not have acquired it in this life, unless he has been taught geometry, for he may be made to do the same with all geometry and every other branch of knowledge. Now, has anyone ever taught him all this? You must know about him, if, as you say, he was born and bred in your house. Meno. And I am certain that no one ever did teach him. Socrates. And yet he has the knowledge? Meno. The fact, Socrates, is undeniable. Socrates. But if he did not acquire the knowledge in this life, then he must have had and learned it at some other time? Meno. Clearly he must.